There is no amount of 11 left there.
So,
On which date have you paid?
Lordship on 13/3/23 Lordship on value date Lordship 13/3/23.
13/3/23.
Yes, 13/3/23 on the value date 13/3/23.
Where is there is no 13/3. It starts from 28/3.
It is not there also.
Lordship, I think not annex there, Lordship.
No,
I mean,
that
What
is
he has shown in the mobile phone, it is not in the annexer.
yes, Lordship. I will annex it, Lordship. The thing is that Lordship here I am not able to annex there, Lordship.
See, we pass orders on the basis of record.
Few
Specific
times,
allegation is that money was taken to in terms saying that I'll sell this land.
My lord.
Subsequently, they came to know that this land does not belong to him.
Lordship, few times, Lordship, I managed there, Lordship.
Okay, we'll list it tomorrow. File an additional affidavit. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. File an additional affidavit today.
Yes.
We'll list it tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Obliged, Lordship.
We'll see that because that is vital. If you can
Yes,
show
yes.
that you have transferred, we'll protect you.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Day after tomorrow. The petitioner may file an additional affidavit.
May I
Item?
please, may I please? Item 10.
Yes.
Lordship FIR, my lord, is 9. Lordship, it is related for intercaste marriage. And
Intercaste or interreligion.
Lordship, the mother.
CD interim.
Highly obliged. Obliged.
Date.
My lord, CDA lordship 13/9 lordship.
My lord, Pakistan matter for the time being, my lord.
Where is the affair?
It's space around 10. Type of my lord. Main band
11 pages 12 mil.
14, 11 page.
Okay, appear before Tayo. Because there is no allegation as such against him. Let us see.
He is the driver, mil.
He is the driver.
Driver.
They are not doubting him.
Yes.
Maybe he may be involved.
Yes.
Interim, CD interim. Date?
Obliged.
What about
On September 21st, mil.
21st?
Obliged, Your Honor.
Appear before we intended. Get your statement recorded.
If I may please, your lordship. Your lordship, it's a
CD
438.
interim. When? What about
My lord, on 21st of September.
21st? Record your statement.
Specific allegation only against accused number 1, mil.
One.
One.
Yes. And these are petty offenses
Yes,
between
yes.
neighbors.
May I please, lordship.
21.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the affair?
Page number 12, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, dear my lord, the petitioner appeared in a recruitment process. During the recruitment process, his certificate was suspected to be fake one.
It will fake or it will fake.
Yes.
Suspected
Now
to be
police
fake one.
want to have the unearned record.
Lordship.
So your interrogation is necessary.
Lordship, on the basis of the SSLC certificate, my lord, he got admission for the next level, my lord. He also passed the higher secondary
Maybe
admission also, my lord.
that
He is not the issuing authority, my lord. He got the certificate from the school, my lord. Or he is right.
that's right. Have you released those certificates? Let him produce his original.
Yes. mil.
Let his
Already seized, my lord.
Huh?
Already seized mean they have
Because
been
at that
itself, my lord.
time, my lord, why he was apprehended, but
Ah.
at that time he failed to any answer, my lord, regarding those documents. Failed to provide any
Ah.
satisfactory answer, my lord.
He is a student, my lord.
Like, probably, my lord, along with him, some other persons
Other
are
persons
may
are
involved. On
also
24/8, my
I
lord.
may be
Huh?
I'll
protected.
produce
my
the
lord.
case diary on 24/8.
24.
I may be protected, my lord. I will
CD
cooperate.
24.
Alright.
For people like you, if you have at all done, many are actual, those who are desirable candidates are not getting done. It's
Okay.
good that somebody has at least doubted. Yes, next.
May it please your lordship. Lordship may kindly pass over the my senior is on like the
What about
What
these
about-
are two matters.
2 meters, my lord.
Notice is not yet issued. we need a report.
report, my lord.
And one is challenging the FIR itself, other is for Jimma liquor.
Already, yes, my lord, I have only one file, item number 14 with me. One is regarding Jimma and another crossing of FI. Already proceeding state that as per earlier order of this honorable court, that is there. So at this stage, my lord, I will get the case diary probably or
Yes,
elsewhere.
you have the case diary.
Already search it submitted, no? Search it submitted.
No. What will happen to then? They have asked for a quashing of the FIR.
I will get a report, my lord.
There is a direction to be excise to be made a respondent number 2. Have you made respondent number
Yes,
2?
your lordship.
Name shown excise standing council.
No, my lord, name not shown in the code.
Okay, you
Lordship, we have done necessary changes by hand.
So, my lord, standing council exercise may be reflected in
okay.
the code.
Let this matter be listed next week. Showing the name of the standing council excise department. In the meantime, the Gotha court may obtain status report from the IO of the case relating to the Jimma of the seized liquor.
Regarding Jimma of this metal not suspected to be
Yes,
varnished.
Bhattakur, our last occasion, there is a
Report I have not yet
Okay.
received, my lord.
Mr. Bhattakur submits that the report as directed to be produced by this court under its order dated 27/2023 is not
Received, my lord.
received. Accordingly, he prays
On-
for and is granted
29/8, my lord.
time till 29/8/2023. List accordingly and report be produced on that day.
Right.
But why these are coming on motion?
Yes, my lord.
Likhti promoted issue
Yes,
notice returnable forfeit. The Bhattakur accepts
Yes,
only.
my lord.
Only thing is that my lord, these are perishable products, my lord. And those of not production of my lord. Court-
Issuing notice will
Lord,
that will fix it that on that date
I-
will
Yes, my lord. My lord, in this case also, my lord, earlier one fresh report from IO was called for, my lord. Fresh report not yet received, my lord.
Okay, we have also filed an improvement application impeding the IO.
Hmm.
Therefore, that improvement application is also not listed today. Otherwise, Lordship, it's a matter where my license gun
Hmm.
was seized.
your license guns or your father's license gun?
Lordship,
What was the date
তোমার
of
account number কি পান?
what was the date of your validity of the license?
Lordship,
Tell us the date. We'll hear you. No problem on that.
Well, this is item
What-
number 18. No. My lord, in this case, item number 18.
What is the date of validity of your license?
Lordship, renewal, yes,
Forget about the renewal. What was the date on the date whether it was a valid license? On the date of seizure of the gun and the license.
Lordship, I'll, because at page 32, I see a renewal, which is 7/5/2022.
And what was the date of seizure? That is what I am asking.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, date of seizure.
Date of seizure. Date of seizure. Where is the seizure list?
Arrested on 10/12/2020.
Just show us the seizure.
Yes, yes. Lordship, seizure list page 18.
8?
1/8.
1.
Lordship, original Lordship will find at page 19. It's 27/12/2020.
The date and time of seizure is 13/12/2022.
At 2 p.m.
And your license validity was 5th of March 2020. And that gun belongs to not to you, your father. License belongs to your father.
No, Lordship, I am a ex-army man. I was reported as a personnel security personnel. What has happened?
But can a security person without there being a valid license?
Lordship,
then there will be chaos in the society.
Yes,
Whatever this some report was sought for.
Yes, my lord, earlier one report was called, but just now I have received the case diary, voluminous case diary. So my lord,
Okay,
I will have to go.
Kothakul submits that he has received a case diary and needs some time to go through the same. Full stop. Prayer is allowed, please this matter on.
On my lord,
We are not so interested in returning guns. We are interested in returning vehicles, perishable items.
no,
Gun may wait. Yes,
we will see page
gun may
32.
wait. That is gun is not so necessary. Yes, next
on 25th of August.
25th of August.
Deep,
Go through and flag mark those things.
Yes, my lord.
deep.
3 months each, my lord, 279, and my lord, punishment, my lord, the section 304A, my lord. There, my lord, upheld the judgment of the London trial.
What is the total period?
6 months, 3 months, 3 months.
A bit. All for the recording. Consider it IA hard time. The connected revision petition already been admitted. Considering the period of sentence as well as the material available on record. The judgment sentence dated
Dated, my lord,
2022 passed by
on it, my lord,
the
the
trial
additional session judge,
itself remains state IS
Nogao. Additional
16.
session judge number 3, Nogao, and judgment dated 16/6/22.
2000.
Two judgment. my lord.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this is a matter about setting aside the judgment and order passed by the learned session judge Bojali. Lordship, in a criminal appeal, preferred by respondent number 2.
What was the offense?
Offense of lordship, the maintenance amount, TV case arising out of it. The maintenance amount are reduced by the session judge.
Notice returnable after 4 weeks. Step within 5 days. The
488 to application.
item number
Item number 21. Police report was called for.
Yes, my lord, that report, status report of the investigation earlier called from not yet received. my lord.
not written. Give a date.
On my lord, 29/8, my
I
lord.
got an order. That earlier called by the court authority 19/6/2020.
Okay.
By an order dated 23/5/2023. Not received. Stop. Please this matter on
29/8, my lord.
29/8/2023. Stop. If no such report is produced, the IO shall
Yes.
personally remain present
Yes.
before. As on earlier occasion also, in spite of direction of this court, no report is there.
Application for China of a vehicle, my lord, the import order has been.
The application is to notice returnable for which
On 12/9, my lord.
report corrected not on behalf of the respondent. Please this matter on please this
on
matter on
12/9, my lord.
12/9 on which date the investigating officer shall produce a status report
Report.
as regard whether the vehicle, Zimma of the vehicle can be granted to the
But my other prayer, my lord, liberty may be given to furnish the documents, my lord, because my lord, all the
Yes.
original documents with the petitioner.
Okay, petitioner may produce the necessary documents before the
Okay. I think 23 and 24 similar. Also, petitioner filed 2 complaint petition under the MI Act,
10%.
10%.
Suppose 10% initially it was asked to be deposited.
Yes.
But Sessions Court says no.
No.
Now tell us what should we do? We'll issue a notice.
Notice, sir. Returnable on 12/9.
12 returnable on 12. Date both ways.
In both the
After some time, my lord. After time.
What is this?
Look,
We'll give, take after some time, let us understand what is, where is the impugn order?
well, you can read this not.
Maintenance of what? How much?
Not read, my lord. After some time.
Notice returnable after 6 weeks. 6 weeks, saves 4 weeks. Then application.
In this matter, I have some difficulty, lord. Can it be taken any day?
It can any day, no problem on taking up any day. Kothapur have the Jimma.
No, no,
No,
lord.
but
We
FIR
are
question.
against the,
Huh?
we are against the coming of SARS order. The only difficulty is that the day after tomorrow, the prosecutor is going to be examined. So that's why I'm bringing time. The
You
prosecutor,
want to examine on that
any day next week, lord. On
Okay.
21.
on the prayer of the learned council for the petitioner, list this matter after a week.
Can it be on 21? Lord?
25.
Lordship, may I please just your lordship? Lordship, leading counsel, Sarayar is out of session.
Who is out of session?
Delhi subject.
Huh?
Delhi. Delhi. Mr. Air Priya.
You want a quashing of POCSO Act?
Yes, Lord.
Okay. On the prayer of the learned council for the matter stands adjourned for 10 days.
May I please, your lordship? 430 application, your lordship.
What is the affair?
Case 9, your lordship. The petitioner is a chief manager of Canara Bank, your lordship. Case 9 is the affair.
What you say, but
Otherwise, my lord,
otherwise allegation is serious.
otherwise, allegations are serious.
Let us see.
I have received 141.
What is your case?
My case is
Why
that,
she has lost all this?
your lordship, my case paragraph 4 I have stated. She was not discharged her duty fully, your lordship, as pressurized me to send her name for promotion, but I have not sent, and alteration took place on 17/6/23.
Hmm.
And therefore, next day, after 7 days, she was lost affair. Allegations of litigation. They tried to appeal.
What is that?
It's a 41 days charge I have received to appear before the IO on 16/8. Will appear, your lordship.
But allegations are serious.
And presently I am posted Aligarh, your lordship.
Aligarh means
Uttar Pradesh.
when this incident took place.
Incident took place on
17/6/23.
after FIR 17/6, FIR loss on 27/6. After 10 days.
But you will have to come and appear before the IO within 10 days. Interim, city interim.
Obligation.
There is a doubt as such, whatever.
Yes.
Though allegations are there, some facts creates a doubt in the mind of.
Yes.
That's why you are giving interim. Let me put it. Yes.
On my lord,
Obligation.
13/9.
39, but within 10 days you will have to
Right.
report it.
Obligation.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
Wait, please, Lord.
What
Lord,
is
this
what is the affair?
FIR at page 16, Lord. This FIR is result to an FIR which has been filed earlier to that, Lord. Because of that, this FIR has been, a petitioner is a lawyer by profession, Lord.
This is 58,
My Lord,
58 city interim,
my Lord, the similar matter has been fixed on 11th of September, Lord.
11th of September.
11th September.
In the meantime, get your statement recorded.
My Lord. Much obliged.
My lord. FIR is
Mr. Ahmed, TV
FIR
only.
my lord. No allegation against me, my lord. Allegation is 1, 2, and my lord. And that
What is your name?
My name is Hazan Paul. The lawsuit can FIR.
Hmm.
First allegation against me that I helped to hide the accusation number 1. This is the allegation only me, my.
What is this business?
And that person was surrendered, my lord. I come to learn that one main accused.
You are
got
a
his
driver.
surrender. No. I am a neighbor. I am a villager neighbor of the accused number
What
1.
is the name of the driver whom they have Rockybul?
Rokibul is the son of the driver is the Habibur Rahman. Accused number 1.
Habibur not is an accused. Habibur is one.
One. He
You
is
are
the main
not
accused.
the driver.
He is the driver.
Okay. City intelligence.
Hey, look.
Get your statement recorded.
On my lord, 14 9.
Within
my lord.
10 days. 14.
Just now in item number 60 and 61, I have
Wait
received.
for something.
Yes.
Petitioner is also not.
Thirty-seven, three not able.
Any,
Lordship,
any
I like to withdraw the matter.
withdraw. That's why city is not available. Dismiss.
Thirty-nine also CD not available.
We have to, 15 days today, my lord. Actually, my lord, monetary transaction between 10,
Who
my
is
lord,
the affair?
my lord, case, my lord, 10, my lord. But criminal color has been given back.
What is your name?
My lord, Rajiv Hussain.
Your name is Rajiv Hussain.
Yes, my lord. Case 10 is the affair, my lord. Actually, my lord, civil dispute. Monetary, my lord, this petitioner, my lord, took, my lord, a loan from the informant, my lord. But he demanded more, my lord, interest by.
Yeah, on a council and the forced me to stay with him.
But it has been given criminal color. I have lost complaint also, my lord. I have an ex, my lord.
No, CD without
Oh,
without,
that
without
my-
consent, मतलब take video and photo, मतलब no, मतलब CD
My
from
lord, page,
Hatigao, my lord.
page 18, my lord, my complaint matter.
when
22nd, my lord. 22nd.
Published.
city, no, city is not there. Like hearing to. Okay.
See, my lord, yes, we have not received the CD.
Okay, who is in 40, item number 40?
See, Borua.
Yes, Mr. Bothakur. S. Bothakur, come forward.
No,
That uh, that this journalist. Journalist.
Hearing was rejected.
my lord, yes, my lord, now I have got the CD. Just now.
Before that, there are some development. Now assist us what to do. Bothakur, go through this. This matter was taken up when
Last one, 8/8/22.
8/8/20. Give it to Bothakur.
I have taken certificate of duties. To that effect, I have.
No. These are not the issue. How to handle this kind of issues?
Yes.
Ma'am, we are not on who will give bail or not bail.
That is only before lordship, that they also submitting. This type of things, if it is filed before the honorable court, if honorable court is, my learned sessions I'm submitting about that. He is taking into consideration this letter basis of these letters, my bail was rejected. But he is supposed to give notice, my lord, under provision of law. In this regard, your bail is to be rejected. Because cancellation and rejection is separate, my lord. It was cancelled. But in this regard, lordship, this
No,
number.
no, just let Mr. Bhattakur go through it. You are a counsel for the.
Yes.
That's why we have asked.
Oh,
Mr.
I
Bhattakur.
have thinking other one.
No,
Oh, acha.
directly addressed. See, by name. What to do?
Your lordship can say draw contempt.
Something will have to. Yes, Mr. Doctor. And Doctor. One way I was thinking, go through that. One way of I was thinking that I should not take up this matter. Because suppose I grant bail, then this is the letter. If I refuse, then this person will think that for this letter I have refused. That was in mind. But why should we succumb to this kind of pressure tactics? Because we should this kind of things we should not.
Allowed
And this was in fact addressed to Honorable the Chief Justice. So if you go to the envelope, when it was opened in that his secretariat, then it was seen that it was directly addressed in my name.
The envelope also shows, my lord, the name just is there. That's your
lordship name is also
Adalat.
the lordship name.
It's not shown, my lord. It's not the court.
Okay. What about the case?
Case there are sufficient incriminating materials against this person, Lordship.
Yeah.
He has been booked in other cases also. And status parties there, Lordship, after getting the interim Lordship from the other court, Lordship, he started threatening the victim. Lordship. That is why Lordship, I have strong objection, Lordship, granting him interim protection. Lordship, may kindly peruse this, my Lord. These are the other cases pending, Lordship, and all are extortion and robbery.
They are pretty different, right? Out of them, two cases, in another cases, they're pending, no, you can file his case.
সেইটো তো আপনি দিলে নহব এটা আমি
আমি এইটো কৰিব লাগিব না, আমাক court কৰি দিব লাগিব না, আমি আনিব লাগিব, সেইকাৰণে মই
টাইম লব
Yes, Mr. Purva.
My lord, in this regard, I have to submit that is why I am running, because I have got information, out of the information which is given cases number, my lord, out of that cases, 2 cases are already been submitted by police. Out of that, another case which is pending before the trial court, when PW has clearly said that I have got a statement also, because nowadays supplied free of cost to copy. There also it is saying that now they have not taken any money from us, not demanded. That was a statement of PW when it was crossed. That is why, my lord, if at all lordship due permission, on the basis of that, I have also obtained a certified copy from the court, honorable district session judge, learned session judge, that what is the material was placed before it, because I was not supplied. Then I have, after going through, I have come to know that out of 3 cases is shown or 4 cases who are already been submitted. That is not mentioned. And another cases which is going on, he is on bail. Moreover, in trial, PW has clearly said that no, they have not demanded, because that is also record. I will be allowed to file additional affidavit in this point, because I have also obtained a this certificate copy from the Nana district judge.
That we can give you.
Yes, I'll give, because I, this will be also born on record, on the basis of
This is
this.
an AB.
Maybe. And regarding the lordship, FR lordship, that I will take instruction with the whether
Oh, yes, definitely.
FR submitted.
Let him file that affidavit, then
My
you
lord,
can
my
have the
lord.
instruction. Hard. Purva, Nana Council for the petition. What Borua? C Borua? Huh? Nana Council for the petition. Also, Peru, the case diary product. There are some serious allegations that the petitioner was also involved in criminal cases in different other cases where he were arrested. Full stop. And in some cases, trials are going on. Full stop. In view of such material, Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed some time to file an additional affidavit to bring on record that in two of the aforesaid cases, he has already final report has been filed.
Yes,
And on another case, the person who lost the information during cross-examination has herself admitted that no such demand of money was made. View of such prayer is allowed. Accordingly, please this matter on
15 million.
15th of
16.
16th.
Another 21 million.
What is the
No, so any date lordship. Because
21st of
July,
August 2020.
August.
There is a development in this case. This court took up the matter on 8/8/2023 and called for the case diary, fixing the matter today, that is 14/8/2020. In the meantime, a communication from one organization called Auto Assam Durniti Nivarok Property Sureksha Committee, making certain allegations against the accused and requesting directly to this court to reject the bail. Full stop. Such course of action suggestive of an action which is which amounts to obstruction to delivery of justice, as well as an attempt to influence a court's decision. In view of the aforesaid matter, let the aforesaid organization be impleaded as party respondent and party respondent in this proceeding, and issue notice to its president, Sri Rajiv Sharma, who has disclosed his mobile number also, and whose signature and whose name the present letter is sent. Full stop. Before the next date. Such notice is served by the registry upon the aforesaid person.
No police.
But there is not even address. Jorhat, Assam, नाम से करो, the name Jorhat.
Yep.
Jorhat. The registry will ensure to the superintendent of police Jorhat that notice is served upon the notice is served upon the court with an observation that the president shall remain personally present before this court on the next date fixed. Is this matter on
21st August.
this court request Mr. N.J. Datta to assist this case in this matter. So the name of Mr. N.J. Datta in fact. And copy of the bail petition along with the copy of the letter addressed to this court be furnished to Mr. N.J. Datta.
41, my lord, he is an interim, my lord, but CD not received.
Yes, when
From Nagaon, my lord, on 29, my lord.
My lord, interim may continue.
interim on
Develop.
My lord, here, my lord, trust is submitted, but against the arrested person only, and he is not the arrested person. My lord.
okay. Learned third Mr. N.J. Datta, learned Mr. Additional Public, the learned additional public prosecutor on instruction from the investigating officer submits that search sheet being
Being number 446/23 dated P0723.
30723 has already been filed a file in connection with Borpeta Police Station case number 163/2023 under section 120B, 420, 417, 419, 379 of IPC. However, the present petitioner is not sent for trial as accused. Full stop. In that view of the matter, the present bail application is closed as there cannot be any necessity to arrest the petitioner in the aforesaid background, and therefore the petitioner cannot have any apprehension. So this is AB 1982. And what about 1959? Same one.
I'm deeply obliged.
This goes on.
44. Oh, I think-
Yes, if he is
No,
here, we
yes,
can
yes,
take up.
no.
My lord. Look here, my lord.
It is there.
LCR is
bail, my
given.
lord, Charles. 3 years bail has been granted, my lord, giving me a direction to appear before the IO. But IO, we appeared, IO could not do anything because it has been charge sheeted, my lord. Now, as your lordship please, my lord. But my lord,
You are in on interim.
I am on interim. But my lord, can I please one
Yes.
more line, my lord, with all respect, my lord. One authority is there, my lord, in such a given situation, my lord.
It should be absolute.
No, my lord,
interim.
exactly, my lord, exactly.
This is my view also, but
This I can place it before a lordship, my lord.
see,
one
once
paragraph, my lord.
interim is done, no, subject to correction. This is an academic.
My lord.
It is an academic discussion. Suppose an interim is granted, statement is recorded. Now search sheet is filed against him. What is the meaning of again
Okay.
putting behind him but number one?
Here, my lord, interim
Will
is under-
make generally what happens is with my limited knowledge that once an interim once an anticipatory bail is granted, that will remain in force till the finalization of the trial.
Exactly.
This is the law
Akshay and Agarwal.
relating to granting an absolute
My lord.
anticipatory bail. Suppose here is an interim. What will be the difference between two now here?
My lord, here in this case, when the interim was granted,
Then it was charge sheeted, my lord.
already suspected showing the petitioner absconder, my lord. Already suspected.
My lord, exactly on that line, there is
No, just yes.
Yes,
then
yes, already suspected, showing him as absconder. And dear, my lord,
how what is the procedure to make an absconder?
police absconder since
Police cannot.
the police doesn't find him, my lord.
He was very well here. He was seeking interim here. He
Um,
was here. How can police say? Is there he was called for?
Kejriwal, because on that day, matlab, we have no knowledge that it is already been succeeded. It is already succeeded, and now
So suppose you put him behind bar, what the purpose will be served?
matlab, one thing is matlab, regarding this case, matlab, here matlab, the honorable court issued someone after succeed someone not issued any warrant.
Therefore, we'll
some-
protect him. He will appear till then. We'll
Yes,
protect him.
yes.
Someone has been issued. We'll make it clear that there should not be any apprehension of arrest because someone is issued.
Only someone
Can I
issued.
please-
Next date is 17, my lord. Next day is for appearance
This is
and
academic.
someone only.
It is academic. In a given situation like this, my lord, what the apex court may just read 2 lines, my lord.
Yeah.
Can I read it, my lord?
Yes,
Having considered the rival submission, his and mine, my lord, in this given situation, my lord, we are of the view that since the charge sheet has already been filed, and having regard to the facts and circumstances, the grant of anticipatory bail under section 438 would be in order. We accordingly order and direct that in the event of arrest of the petitioner, he shall be released on bail, subject to such terms and conditions as may be imposed by the trial court. So now, my lord, sorry,
mistake I have committed because I made in some cases absolute. Because this was my idea, I could have.
possibly this should be in
This
the
should be
fitness
the.
of things.
This should be the. order. And suppose his statement is not recorded.
Well,
There is no relevance of his statement in the
charge sheet.
trial or
Yes,
charge sheet.
Exactly,
my lord,
exactly. My 160 only is
Suppose
not
he
a
admits, confesses before police, no relevance.
no, yes, already.
absolutely. my lord.
Already
That
succeeded.
is
I
that.
do not, my
My lord. No, he
knowledge is limited. In
No, no,
this subject.
absolutely,
absolutely, my
absolutely,
lord.
absolutely. my lord.
He will appear before the court and already will notice only someone issued.
Okay.
No warrant, my lord.
Already been filed being charge sheet number, but Mr. P.K. Mahajan.
My lord,
stated
charge
by-
sheet, my lord, in the
Charge sheet.
LCR.
Can you give me the
My lord,
number?
PRC case number is there, we have
Ah.
quoted. my lord.
Already charge sheeted and accused was also sent for trial.
My lord.
Trial, Mr. Mahajan submits that prior to him approaching the court seeking application, seeking pre-arrest bail, the case was already charge sheeted.
My lord,
In the meantime, someone has already been issued.
my lord.
Therefore, this court is of the considered opinion that there should not be either any apprehension of the petitioner to get arrested or there is any necessity to arrest him and put behind him bar. Therefore, the earlier interim order passed is protected till his appearance. He will apply and will pass this condition, grant him bail
Mild,
with
mild.
any condition.
My lord.
Next date is 17 as per my law.
Okay. On the next date, we can.
Oh,
17.
Imantari?
17 as per LCR, my lord.
17. It will 17 to Rakha. Next date is submitted by the learned edition public prosecutor. That the next date before a trial court is fixed on 7.
My lord, God should kindly put the amount, my lord.
Yes, we'll put that.
My lord, no.
That will say that bail will be granted with its own condition.
Exactly, my lord, exactly. Highly obliged, my lord. Obliged, my
Item
It is available.
Madam, your lordship, page 22 is the FIR, madam. The petitioner, he is the managing director of a private finance company, madam. Allegation is that, madam, this company is fake and he has
What
been.
is the
In
My
fact,
lord, Siddhi, my lord, he is the main culprit, my lord. Earlier, my lord,
no,
two cases I have appeared in the same, my lord, where, my lord, the wife was granted bail.
Yes.
Only thing that he is a lady, and my lord, he being running a, my lord, private finance, my lord, depositing, my lord, fixed and this, my lord, deposit, it is illegal without the approval of the, my lord,
Reserve Bank of India?
Yes.
Yes.
And he is doing this since last 2-3 years, my lord. And the informant or my lord, the actually collector, they collect money and deposit it with him, my lord. And subsequently, he fled away with his wife, my lord.
That
to
is
the
his case that now people are holding us that please return us the money. These agents are Now scapegoat.
Yes, because of that agents, they filed the case. Now, my lord, while wife was granted my lord interim, because as a lady and my lord, children, minor child, wife statement, my lord, just my lord, 2019-20 চনৰ মানৰ পৰা এই 2018 পৰা মোৰ স্বামী মজিদুদ্দিন আলীয়ে ছানৰাইজ নিধি লিমিটেড নামৰ প্ৰতিষ্ঠানটো চলাই আছিল। তেওঁ মুখ্য ভূমিকা গ্ৰহণ 2018 মানত 6 years। এণ্ড নাও গ্ৰাহকবোৰৰ পৰা টকা পইচা লৈ ঘূৰাই দিব পৰা নাই, কিন্তু টকাৰ কিবা লেনদেন থকা এজেণ্টবিলাক সেই কথা মানি নলয় আৰু তেনেকৈ প্ৰতিষ্ঠানটো চলি থাকে। কেইদিনমান আগে এই পুনৰ কথালৈ আলোচনা হয়, এজেণ্টবোৰে মানি নলয়। যোৱা 13/6/23 তাৰিখে স্বামীয়ে মোক সন্তানজনীলৈ বৰপেটা জিলালৈ লৈ আহে আৰু মোক থৈ কৰবালৈ গুচি যায়। So মানে he fled away. Now the persons are suffering and the agents are also suffering. The informant of the agent, and this whole thing is illegal, my lord. And
Yes.
his custody interrogation is
My lord, page 9 your loss can say,
Page 9.
9. Mamagana Association and the Companies Act, man.
See, let me make you clear.
Yes.
There is no doubt that there is a company incorporated. There is no doubt that the company is having certificate of incorporation.
Yeah.
Please kindly show us that your
Appropriate.
company is authorized to do finance under Reserve Bank of India.
My lord, only
There
page-
you just show us page 19 we have seen.
no,
It's a certificate of incorporation.
Page 9, my lord, object to be pursued by the company on its incorporation act.
Yes,
Page 9.
yes,
Your lord, Page
Yes,
9.
yes.
Serial number clause number 3.
Mm.
This was issued on the ground that object to be pursued by the company on its incorporation act to enable, encourage members to save money by cultivating the habit of thrift and provide facilities for this purpose. To receive money by your fixed recurring expenses, etc. So on the basis of this matter, they collected. Whole question, my lord. This
whole question is,
informant himself has
he-
become director subsequent to my
Huh?
this company. I have just given a copy which I got subsequent to my.
yeah,
He himself became my subsequently became director of this company. Thereafter he filed the present case. He is the person
that
who
is not the issue. That
No.
is not the issue.
our
Issue
case, madam,
is
they collected
what
money.
you have given is a document from your own website.
This
This is not a document from
that
ROC
may be verified.
or reserve. No,
Yeah.
it's not necessarily very.
I am not
this is-
saying
this-
that it is final for that character that he
This is
subject
the
to
first
scrutiny.
line then empowering business, protecting investors. This is your advertisement from your website. Who are the directors? Show us any Reserve Bank paper
But
that
he
you
is
are
the person.
being, you are being allowed to run a business of microfinance.
But-
As simple as that.
Informant himself is the director. What happened, madam, here? What his case is, he says that I have
He
been
will also
appointed.
be arrested if necessary.
he said,
Informant
madam,
can be also an accused.
He has been appointed as field officer. His case, madam. And he collected money.
Let him be get arrested.
But
But
that I
will-
am not on that, madam. I
that
am not
will
saying
not
so,
give you
madam.
protection.
What my case is that, madam, what he says, I have been appointed as field officer. I collected money. I deposited. Thereafter, my lord, I came to know it is a fake company. Then he said, my lord, I stopped collecting money. Our case is, my lord, he collected money, he did not deposit to me.
But where is your power to collect money? Tell us that.
That is another aspect.
No,
I
this
may-
is the aspect.
under
We
company act,
cannot, as
Reserve
a
Bank Act,
coach,
I-
keeps
I
our
may-
eyes, because there is a provision to make him a.
So that, my lord, I may face consequence under that act, my lord. I'm not on that, my lord. I may, if suppose I have done any irregularity, that I can face this, my lord. Action may be taken under the Companies Act. Now, here question, my lord, you have issued the Mammakan Association, you issued a license, trade license also, my lord. Now, this,
Trade license for what?
your kindness is trade license. Page,
Who have issued the trade license?
your lordship will find page 21.
Suppose Guwahati Municipal Corporation, I think you are aware of the judgment Priyanka Estate. Municipal Corporation gives a permission to construct a house in a area in front of a road where you cannot be granted permission more than 5 stories. It was given granted permission up to 10 stories. It was directed to be demolished. Appeal preferred. Appellate authority allowed the petition. Then it went up to the state, the second appellate authority. This court says when you do not have any authority under law to do certain things, if you have done nothing doing, your permissions are invalid. So demolish the building, and that building has already been demolished. So in your case, to run a business of investment of collecting money, you must have a permission under the Reserve Bank of
That
Act
I
and
understood, your lordship.
regulation
Last
from
time also, your lordship.
regulation from DRR.
Yeah.
Admittedly, the informant was your agent to collect money. Where is your permission? Show us.
But that
Your
time,
permission is a incorporation under Companies Act.
Yeah.
Your licenses are for a company, not to run a finance business.
but here it is, you must enable and encourage members to save money by cultivating the habit of
But
it.
that
This is the
incorporation,
object of that my
you
invocation.
might have an object. On that basis of object, a company has registered your company, but that will not give you permission to do business. For that, there is a special act.
That should have made it, we are layman minor, we have just minor, we know
Oh,
we got
sorry.
it minor this, what, that part minor, we are not on that part minor. My only
But
question,
this court is on that part.
my question minor, I got this minor, this certificate, I got the license, I got.
You have misused the certificate and the company's name.
No, whether I misused or not, minor, that's the question. I collected money, it is
That
admitted.
is not in a in a face of it not permissible. And
Then-
these are being
then I am subject to other.
these are being collected with a return of use
Madam, I am
profit.
subject to that law, madam. I am subject to that law. Here question whether 406 has come or not.
This
that
is not a case of 438 where a person is entitled for privilege of creator. This is my concept.
That your lordship come to finally I have nothing to say, my lord. This is your
You
lordship.
are not a man to have a privilege. You
No.
cannot be a privilege.
438 is your lordship discussion, madam. I
No,
cannot
it's
vote.
not my discussion should
But
always
my
be
question,
judicial.
madam, here, what?
I am not sitting as a monarch that I will
No, no,
decide.
that,
My
madam,
discretion is always should be based on law and it should be judicial.
my question,
According
madam,
to
whether
me,
he has
these
taken.
permissions are not having. So this is not a fit case for grant of pre-arrest bail, and accordingly.
Only on that ground he has not taken the permission for the reserve.
No, that is not the ground. The ground is that you have collected money and
No, no,
cheated
your
people.
lordship is saying that I have not taken permission from the reserve.
Therefore,
That
it
is what I am
sitting.
saying, madam. So,
So even also
that is the-
he collected money and paid them.
No, not question of played away, my lord. You played, how they say, I am before lordship and how I played away. I am before lordship, how I played. This is my, everything is there, man.
Madam.
I wonder if that is the my lord ground, my lord, if that I have not taken permission from the reserve bank. I am subject to the, my lord, that, of that act, my lord. But so far,
But you are subject to the cheating also. You are knowing way.
to that, whether cheating, my lord, that 420, 406 is there or not.
That
Your lordship is to this, man. So
will
far,
not,
that-
will not determine all this in a bail
That-
application.
That, of course, madam, we are also not saying, madam. My only question, madam, two questions come. One, whether it comes from the Reserve Bank, violation of the Reserve Bank of India, that whether I have violated Companies Act. My certificate under Companies Act. I have started business on the basis of the object they have given in the certificate incorporation.
Art, Mr. H.R. David, counsel for application. Also peruse the material available on record,
Number.
including the case diary, and also peruse the material so far collected. The aforesaid material in the considered opinion of this court specifically implicates the involvement of the petitioner in the alleged offense. Also considered the stage of the investigation. Looking at the aforesaid material as well as stage of the investigation, this court is of the view that this is not a fit case for grant of privilege of pre-arrest bail to the petitioner. Accordingly, the same sentence dismissed, CDB returned back.
All right.
None appears for the petitioner.
Your Honor, kindly pass over the matter for today.
Why? Why? Why should we pass it over? in view of office note dated 27/6/2023, matter be placed before the Laojima court for a determination of service upon respondent full response. List according after four.
May I please alert?
Yes.
This is a writ petition
Hmm.
with regard to clubbing of 4 FIR that was filed within a span of 2 months. The only limited prayer which the petitioner has prayed in this writ petition is that the investigation be brought under one single police station or any other agency
Hmm.
instead of the investigation being directed in 4 different police stations. Because of the
What are
sameness
the
of the
allegation?
FIR.
Huh?
No, the allegation in the FIR was that the petitioner
Hmm.
is the CEO of a company who is imparting skill development training under the government of Assam or Union of India. During the training, the amount of stipend that was supposedly to be paid
Hmm.
to the trainees
Has
has been misappropriated by the
Yeah.
company and the office bearers of the company. That is the limited
For which year?
for the year 2021. my lord.
Now the FIR relates to all. Why this matter is listed for order today?
So far as the petitioner number, respondent number 8 is concerned,
Hmm.
8 is yet to file their affidavit in opposition, and it has been the wakalatnama was filed on behalf of respondent number 8
72
on 24. But the
Okay, who is for a 7 to?
Lord, I am for 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lord.
Yes.
We have filed affidavit in opposition for 7, 9, and 10. Lord.
Hmm.
So we have yet to file opposition for.
Who are you?
I'm PD Bhunia, Lord.
No, you know who are you? 7 to 10.
7, Lord.
You are the
Informant.
informant.
Informant, Lord.
Yes, public. Who? This is where is the public hospital? No, anybody, any government. Which department? Huh? Which respondent? Home and Political Department. Now tell us if this incident is one, why so many FIR? But he is suffering. We'll stay all the proceeding then. It's a serious issue. Suppose an FIR is on the same incident, FIR is lodged against the person at different police station. Law is well settled. But if it is everything is a different action, then I think Lalu Prasad Yadav it said differently. So it's a state. Where is your affidavit? Show us the reason. Why have you registered so many FIRs on the same incident? We are giving you a last chance. And you are also being given a last chance. This matter should not be kept pending. Or otherwise, any interim order?
yes, my lord. I prayed for no coercive action or
Okay,
way of
we'll
investigation.
consider if no affidavit is filed, we'll consider the interim prayer on the transcript.
But one indulgence, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this matter has been pending since 7 months and 18 days now. And time and again, 7 occasions they have taken.
This is we are giving a last chance. Otherwise, you'll
My lord, 1 week,
consider
1 week time or 2 weeks time.
third. You are Mr.
Yes, sir.
Just learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
PD Bhunia.
P.T. Bhuya for
7, 8, 9, and 10.
respondent number 7 to 10. And Madam R. Gogoi for 1 to 6.
1, 3, 4, 5.
Who is respondent number 2? Okay. Protocol for respondent number 2. The grievance, the present petition is filed assailing multiple FIRs allegedly registered on the basis of same cause of action at different police stations, that is Dispur Police Station, Rangia Police Station, Tihu Police Station, and Dhula Police Station between the period with effect from 13/9/2022 till 16/11/2022. The informant, except informant respondent, except respondent number 8, has filed their affidavit in the meantime. The state of Assam in Home and Political Department seeks for an adjournment to file their affidavit. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has seriously objected to such prayer inasmuch as he submits that no interim prayer has been granted in this case. Full stop. Considering the above, it is provided that considering the above, matters shall adjourn and be listed on after 10 days.
Well, extra copy has already been served.
After you don't want to serve a copy, yes, then 28th of August 2023. The not 28, 31st of August 2023. Full stop. The respondent shall file their affidavit on or before 28th of August 2023 with an advance copy to the petition. Full stop. If no such affidavit are filed, this court shall proceed on the material available on record. Material available on record, or may also consider the prayer for interim relief. Full stop. A copy of this order is permitted to be done. Okay, no, not copy. A copy of the petition is served to Mr. Bhattakur, the learned additional public.
No, one submission. Respondent number 8 is also yet to file.
That's why if they file respondents may, that's why you have to.
Deeply obliged, Macho.
Yes, madam, what is this?
Met with the lordship. In this case, lordship, petitioner number 1 was convicted with 2 years conviction. The lordship, both the courts decided convicted him. So I have preferred one criminal revision petition, lordship. While filing that, there occurs a delay of 751 days, and one IA was
What was the
in IA lordship notice was issued, but lordship in the meantime PA was issued in favor of the petitioner's clerk. That I brought by way of an additional affidavit in the stay application. Stay application was not numbered, but by serial number I have mentioned this matter for listing. If your lordship direct registry to number that stay, and if your lordship considers my prayer, lordship, they were all along on bail, lordship, during the trial.
what was the offense?
354, lordship. 2 years for the petitioner number 1.
Where is the any where is may give the main file?
Lordship can file the IA filing number 7084. That is the stay application, lordship.
Where is the statement of the lady?
Both the petitioners, lordship.
Hmm?
Statement of the victim, lordship.
A victim.
Lordship, that was not annexed, only judgment we have annexed.
How can we say judgment or even ask to pass? It's your fault. You have after 7. We can condone the delay.
Yes.
That is not an issue. But since it's 354, the lady's presence will be required to at least condone the delay.
Lordship, no, lordship. In that case, notice was issued, lordship. I'm saying
But
that
notice
is very
says that
early stage, lordship. Notice was issued only on 28/7, and thereafter we have taken step on 31/7 as per
Let
office.
delay may be condoned, my lord, and my lord, stay application may be registered thereafter, my lord.
Till then, lordship, some protection if they appear.
difficult. It's legally not permissible.
Not very-
It's to us that it's permissible. See,
In civil, I can show
but it's difficult.
Right.
difficult.
while issuing notice in lordship in condonation,
But
lordship.
Bhattakur, we can condone the delay, but it is not mandatory to that the victim be a party. You will have a right of hearing,
Yes.
not necessary that it should be implemented.
Yes.
Is not it in terms of our High Court
Just
rule?
this thing, lordship. Thereafter, lordship, our division bench judgment says, lordship.
In our division bench
Lord-
and that High Court rule was amended and that remains still.
Lord-
So we are condoning the delay, registered the revision petition and the stay. with the third with the current council product. Where is your continuation of delay?
636 IA Lordship.
6 IA.
636, that is notice was
You
issued.
should have the statement of the victim.
Normally, after revision, we annex the judgments. So I have
Most important, in 2 courts you have lost.
Lord.
So we must have a satisfaction that this is not a normal, there is some perversity. Why should I interfere? Because in 2 courts you have been convicted. I think that is the principle of law. We are generally giving a chance and admitting it.
Correct.
These are not cases for admission. There must be end to on litigation.
Lordship, in page 20 of the judgment, Lordship, can see in the IA civil stay application, Lordship.
Hmm.
In her testimony, the victim informant categorically stated that at around 3:30 PM, when she was about to change her clothes in her room, the accused Helaluddin had come and grabbed her from behind. And that when she had shouted and had run out of the room to call her mother-in-law, the said
What is the
accused
period?
2 years. Lordship. They were all along on bail, Lordship, and he is the brother-in-law of the victim, Lordship. And another petitioner is sister.
Okay, where is the explanation of delay?
Para 4 and 5, Lordship.
What is the reason?
Lordship, they were taking information from their engaged counsel, but normally, Lordship, during Corona period, they could not take, Lordship. There are four.
Corona has gone long back.
On the one line that, however, as they were visiting the chamber of their counsel frequently, their counsel apprised the applicants that any such appeal normally takes 4-5 years for disposal. The counsel further assured the applicants that whenever their appeal will be disposed of, he will inform
You
the
you serve by Dusty and keep you away from police. Okay, Bhattakur 700 days delay condoning in a case of 354.
Yes, already.
Your lordship can wait for condoning the delay till then, your lordship, if done some.
No, that we cannot. That is
I
not,
have
that is
already
not,
annexed the order sheet of the learned trial court, lordship,
that is
in
not. part-
additional affidavit, lordship. On 3/7/23, there is the order, lordship, accused are absent. Abdul Karim is appeared and he prayed for another date to produce accused Helaluddin, heard and allowed.
Yes,
PI
Mr. Agarwal. 2 years,
We had copy,
both
no.
court appeal, 700 days delay. Can we condone the delay? May not be, C is not necessary. But as far as Jagjit Singh, C is.
I'll not make any comment. Will continue.
No, we are asking you as a senior counsel to assist. Forget about either side. Don't look at them. 2 years, looking at 2 ways. One is, suppose we do not protect.
Yes, yes.
She may,
That's fine.
he
But
may be
another-
inside.
another-
Ultimately, we found that no case was made out. Then unnecessary person is inside there. And at the same time, it's a case of 354. A lady
Yeah.
alleged 2 courts convicted. Why should we give a stay without and due to a negligent plan? Okay, madam, we have a step. No way out. Sometimes
That's
we'll have to.
already taken, lordship, but it
No,
was also
okay,
sent.
in view of office note dated
Lordship, 9/8/2023, no, notice was
office note
already.
dated where is
In-
that? 9/8/2023. The matter be placed before the Lajima to have a determination on the
Lordship,
service of
notice
res-
was sent only on 5/8, lordship. Today is 14/8.
in the meantime, the petitioner is permitted to take the fee in addition to file an affidavit. If you can serve and come through some other also, come back, we'll consider. Yes.
Obliged.
Well, in this case, charge sheet not yet filed.
Not yet
Not
filed.
yet filed.
19/6. We are almost 19/7, 19/8. Okay. Satisfaction of
57.
Huh?
CJM, I mean,
CCM Aminga. Considering the period of detention. 20,000. Yes, Protocol, what is this?
my lord, yes, 60 and 61, my lord, same accused person, my lord. He is the owner of, my lord, one Carnage Motors. He's dealing with, my lord, second hand, my lord. Card, according to the complaint, he purchased one JCB and paid an amount of rupees 9 lakhs.
Already rejected by me.
No, against the
Madam,
present accused
Lordship,
person,
kindly
many
take
other.
up Schedule 61.
Uh-huh.
Item
Get
6.
excavator.
Yes, my lord. But here in this case, my lord, accused person, my lord, last updation on 2/1/23 and interim granted on 5/12/22. But my lord, till this is Mayong PS case, my lord, till 2/1/23 he has
Where is
not
the FIR? Where is the FIR?
paid this, my lord.
Lordship, kindly take up 61. Item
FIR
61.
at page
Because,
11,
my
my
lord,
lord,
Page
I-
11.
61. Okay, where is the FIR?
FIR page 10, man.
Hmm. This two to
This is the case. Same accused. I have rejected
Yes,
earlier bail.
many cases pending
Not
against the
discussing.
present.
You are the counsel.
My lord, in that case, Lordship, my lord,
Is it
initially,
not that man?
same man.
Oh,
Same-
that is what
same
you
person.
say.
Just
We
different.
remember certain things.
It's a different case.
Yes,
Case is different.
Yes, ma'am.
And why should we grant you bail? You have rejected.
yes, my lord.
This is, you are a continuous, and in earlier cases, we gave you protection. And specific report came from the police that you have never
Yes.
cooperated.
In
lord,
item number 60,
item
my
number
lord,
61.
60, that is Mayong PS case number, Mayong PS case 221. In that case, my lord, interim granted on 5/12/22, and till, my lord, last updation is on there on 1/10/21. Till then, my lord, he not appeared before the.
I think then they are meaning by these are the third cases. I dealt earlier one long back,
Yes.
rejected second time.
Yes, my lord.
Second time we granted interim
Yes.
on the condition that he will return back the money. This
Yes.
was the submission.
Yes, ma'am.
Then suddenly
Yes.
they came and withdrew this case.
Yes.
We remember everything.
That
Maybe
withdrawal-
we are taking 60, 70 meters per day.
My lord, my lord, may I make a submission, ma'am?
Yes, you make a submission.
Item 61, my lord,
You
covers-
will come back and you make your submission.
Fine.
But foregone conclusion.
কালি ডেটিটা ভাবলে হচ্ছে।
বিস্ফোরণ বাৰু
এদিন আহিছে
কিন্তু
নেকি?
ইয়াৰ আগেতো বহুত কিবা কিবি case
Yes,
আছে।
তাৰ আগতে বহুত আছে।
ট্ৰেন্সফাৰ পিটিশ্যন এটা আছে
হা, হা।
সেইটো মোৰ অবজেকশ্যন নাই
হয় ন?
কৈ দিম এতিয়া একে চেম মানুহ
নাই, ইয়াৰ ট্ৰেন্সফাৰ পিটিশ্যনটো এইকেইটা নহয় নে, এইকেইটা বিল হে, এইকেইটা ট্ৰেন্সফাৰটো সম্পৰ্ক নাই।
ডিস্পুটটো কি কৰিছিলে? গাড়ী ৰেডি দেখাব। সেইটো বস্তু আহিছিলে।
কোনটো?
ডিস্পুটটো
ডিস্পুটটো আহিছে।
ডিস্পুটটো কি কৰে?
ডিস্পুটটো কি এতিয়া হয়?
এপিয়াৰ হৈছে তাৰমানে মই কি কৈছো সি কৈছে যে সিহঁতে যিখন গাড়ী বিচাৰিছিলে মায়ঙত যাব অভিযোগ তাৰ সেইটো
ডিস্পুট PS কেছটো 23 ৰেজিষ্টাৰ হৈছে, এইটোতো 21 হয়।
সেম ইনসিডেন্ট না ইনসিডেন্ট ইজ সেম
হ্যাঁ। ইয়াৰ আচল কিছু আছিলে সেই ফ্লেট চেল সেই ফ্লেট চেল কৰিছিলে সেইটো অহা নাই সেইটো কেন্দ্ৰিক আছে সেইটো গুৱাহাটীতে 6 মাইলত আছিল এই 6 মাইলৰ এপাৰ্টমেণ্ট ফ্লেট চেল কৰি বহুত টকা উঠাইছে মায়ং কেছটো যিটো ইনফৰমেণ্ট সেইটো ষ্টৰটোতো আছে নেকি ইয়াত দুটা এডিশ্যন হৈছে ইয়াত হাফেনালি নাই আছে 3 নম্বৰ আছে কিন্তু ইয়াত অকল এতিয়া এটাই পইচা দিছিল ইয়াত বাকীকেইটাই লগত 9 লাখ আছিলে 29 লাখ গাড়ী ৰেডি আছে নে এতিয়া তাহাঁতেওতো পইচা বহুত দি পেলাই Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes.
But as the lordship, remember, in that case, the lordship second application made by the petitioner.
Hmm.
That case was settled after the court satisfy bail application was withdrawn. That case. In this case, the item
But that
60
was not a statement made
maybe that's my opinion.
because in that case, initially we rejected the
Yes,
bail application.
Yes.
Then second time you came
Yes.
and say that we want to pay. There is scope of settlement. For that
Well,
purpose, you
that's
need a
fine.
protection. We have given you the protection for that purpose. And subsequently, on 2 days, adjournments were taken. On third date, some are not you, some other kept it, we want to withdraw. But since the interim order was granted on a pretext or on a background that there is a scope of settlement, it was your responsibility while withdrawing that already in view of that settlement. That is not on record, so we cannot take
Well,
cognizance of your settlement.
Yes, madam. In this case, madam, item 61, because madam, item 60 madam, is a part of item 61. On the same cause of action, two FIRs was lodged. One is at madam Mayang PS, one is at dispute police. Dispute police station covers 6 madam, numbers of complainants, 3 numbers of informant. Madam, they came together and lodged this FIR at dispute police station. Now, in terms of dispute police station case, madam, he appeared before the IO. His statement has been recorded, and madam, as per my instruction, madam, they are whatever they made ordered for delivery. Those vehicles are madam, in his possession. He has kept those vehicles ready for delivery on payment of rest of the amount. Perhaps madam, that part will come in the city in the dispute police
My lord,
station.
regarding those, my lord, that vehicle, my lord, ready for delivery, those things are not in the case diary. Only in item number 61, his statement is available. The present accused person.
What is
So,
the statement?
Initially, my lord, Mayong PS case in the year 2021, the item number 60, that
Mayong is a different cause of action.
different.
No, madam, same,
May vehicle A.
no, madam, same cause of action.
It
No,
cannot.
cause of action or vehicle. Suppose you promise Mr. Bhattakur to sell a vehicle
Yes, ma'am.
and also him Parasar also a vehicle.
Right.
Then her also vehicle. Will it be a same cause of action?
No, what I'm saying, madam, Mr. Parasar has lodged an FIR at Mayang police station.
And
Next, madam, he came forward with other 2 informants, madam,
Ah.
and lodged another FIR on the
because forget about him in the second affair. Other 2 persons are there.
Yes, madam.
Initially, my lord,
In Lalu Prasad's case,
Yes.
these others came in different, though it was as a whole a scam, but everywhere that every cause of action it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
said that it
Yes.
cannot be said to be separate cause of action.
yes, ma'am.
Is not it? Is
Yes,
it not
yes,
the
my
case?
lord. My lord,
Yes,
I
yes.
am purchasing a vehicle from him. Someone other
Someone is
purchasing a vehicle.
someone may join it. They
Join him.
may
My lord, how that can be
investigate
same cause of
together,
action?
but that cannot be a ground to grant you bail.
No, madam, what I'm saying,
Yes.
what I'm saying, that in item 61, at the complaint at Mayang covers, complainant at Mayang police station, he also, with the same allegation, he came with the other 2 persons at dispute police station. They came forward and lodged a common FIR. In this dispute police station case, he has cooperated with the police, my lord, the investigating agency, and the my lord, vehicles are ready for delivery. If the my lord, the informants are informants comes, my lord, to take the vehicle,
Whatever have that instruction.
Yes.
that instruction may be
Have
not
that
possible.
instruction. Please this matter on
My lord, on 29th of August.
29th of August. By that time, the petitioner had once again appeared before the Dispur police station. Proceed to Dispur police station for recording of his statement in as much as the petitioner has stated that he is ready with the vehicle to be delivered to the informant on payment of remain.
Yes.
Please this matter accordingly interim order after election. On 20.
Yeah, please.
Just a minute.
Service is awaiting your lord.
Service is waiting.
Yes.
Okay. Await service report. In view of office note dated 28/7/2023. Await service report and link of with an updated
Interim orders.
interim order after.
Yeah, please, lordship. The quashing of my lord criminal certificate. Not a affair with this ten months.
Yes.
Kindly turn to page 10, my lord, affair, my lord.
What about respondent number 2?
My lord, he is a police personnel, my lord.
So service of notice upon him is not necessary.
Necessary.
Then why should we not dismiss your petition for want of step?
For him, my lord, I instructed to clerk, my lord.
Huh?
For him, my lord, I will take my lord within.
The Lajima court order dated 19/6/2023 reflects that though petitioner was given, though petitioner was asked to take fresh step by Lajima court's order dated 5/12/2022 for issuance of notice of respondent number 2, no such steps were taken. Again, the Lajima court by its order dated 9/6/2023 directed the petitioner to take steps for issuance of notice upon the said respondent within 7 days under its order dated 5/12/2020. However, till date, no such step. Now,
Within 2 days.
the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will take steps during the course of the day. If such steps are taken, this matter after 4 weeks, and if no such steps taken during the course of the day, this matter on give a next week 21st. 21st of
Till then, my lord, interim.
interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Hello.
May please, your
Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
here this application under section 42 has been jointly filed by the lordship complainant and the accused lordship.
How they are related? What are the offenses? Please tell us.
Rash and negligent driving. And
Rash and negligent.
279 304A. And all those cases are lordship now disposed of by the district court, but as there was stay order from this honorable court, so his case was not considered. Because that notification was issued on
Now, what do you
28/11/22.
want today? A compromise in exercise of power under 482 or to vacate the stay order and go there?
On compromise ground, lordship may dispose it. Because otherwise,
What
also,
are the punishments?
maximum 2 years under 304A or fine.
Where is the FIR?
FIR lordship is on page 12.
Where is the search sheet?
Charge sheet page 18.
Page 18. Where are the section?
Section 279 304A. 279 is up to 6 months and 304 is up to 2 years.
Where is your affidavit?
That your lordship will find page 24.
Page
24.
no, the petitioner's affidavit in support of this.
Affidavit in this case, lordship. Page 11, lordship,
By whom?
by the informant.
By the informant. And what about your affidavit? You are the accused.
I am the accused.
Petitioner number 1 is the informant.
Petitioner number 1 is the accused. Petitioner number 2, Joymuddin, he is the informant.
Only the he has filed.
Yes, he has shown the affidavit in support of this petition.
In our report.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, Mr. Secretary.
The transfer petition is next case number. Complaint has been filed by and client is ready.
My lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 1, and I have no objection.
What is this transfer petition? And why?
Same.
In Guwahati, my lord.
Huh?
Incident
Same
took place in
Rajdeep.
Guwahati, my lord.
Same Rajdeep, that's
Yes.
why.
Incident took place
Incident in Guwahati.
my lord. And check was payment was made by my client, my lord. At Guwahati. I gave him the check, my lord.
No,
Guwahati. My bank is at Guwahati.
What is this bank is, where is your bank? Where have you deposited the check?
Guwahati.
Guwahati.
Yes.
Or is it order? What is the judgment? First an order.
25/4, my lord. While passing this order, my lord, because recorded judgment, my lord, for 49 SCC to 1. Sorry.
That is the judgment. Where it says when your bank is and where have you have deposited in Guwahati. Your check is deposited in Guwahati, bounce in Guwahati, and case is filed at
Deepu Court.
At?
Deepu Carbian.
Deepu. So transferred. Let's take it. Down it.
Huh? Yeah.
Dispose of.
Obliged, my
Where was the return memo? Return memo is any?
Then it's an
It's saying State Bank of India, Deepu branch. Why are you saying Guwahati?
some part payment was made, my lord, by NEFT.
Whatsoever, but I was repeatedly asking a question, where does check was deposited? You are saying at Guwahati, but your branch is at Deepu. How 2009 judgment will be applicable? 19
It's by
judgment.
instruction of my client.
No, it's
Yes.
your instructions. This is the complaint you have filed. How do you now believe the lawyers? Kindly come to Annexure 1 in the Chief Judicial Magistrate Karbi Angla. Kindly come to page paragraph 9. Lawyers are expected to go through their brief and assist the court. Let this matter be listed after 6 weeks. Any interim order? Interim order passed earlier. Help us.
Thank you. My lord.
My lord, this is application 420,
Yes,
this
it's an application under
489 of
489. IA
I 482 of which code of civil procedure.
482.
82 with code of civil procedure.
What do you want?
I have collected a latest development
What is under challenge?
challenge. My lord, I have already this challenge. His filed criminal case. His phone number to filed criminal case for the chief judicial magistrate Pujai. Number 433 to 2018. My lord, in this case, my lord, a lot of allegations which are already redressed before the lower court, but before again and again he lost before the chief judicial magistrate.
Where is the complaint that you want this court to set aside at first?
My lord, complaint page number 10
Page
and
number?
item number 1.
Page number?
10, item number 1.
Item number 1.
Page number, next number 1.
Huh?
Next number 1,
Page
10.
10. Yes. What is your ground? Why you or what is your ground to challenge this?
Ground, my lord, there are a lot of ground, my lord.
Lots of ground. Let us record it.
my lord.
If lots of ground.
My lord,
What is the first ground?
all are, my lord, against the petition number 1 to 14, number paragraph. Against petition number 1 to 14 paragraph, they are also all are false. All are false. First one, the my lord, the filed the case, my lord, against the wife, my lord, wife and father.
Paragraph
Paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Against
1,
1,
2,
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5.
Against only 5, my lord. Only 5. There are allegation of defacing market of
Allegation of
defacing market of respondent number 2.
okay.
But the market of ambiguous, but they filed before the annex of for this court, my lord, the market of HSLTG. I have annexed, my lord, annexed 1, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Theory, what is the case?
Your lordship, in this case, I have filed a case. I am the husband, your lordship, and I have filed a case against my wife and some of the family members. Your lordship, page 13. Lordship, may
What
kindly
is your
bear-
case? What is your allegation?
I filed a complaint, your lordship. He came to my these accused persons, the petitioners in this case. They came to my residence, and thereafter they have committed, they have threatened us, your lordship, and that is why we have filed this complaint. So they may face the trial, your lordship. That is what we are saying.
Now,
Court has taken
after
cognizance.
filing of this application, cognizance has been taken.
Yes, your lord.
200 statements
Yes,
has
your
been
lordship.
recorded.
Yes, your lord.
Then cognizance has been
Yes, your
taken.
lordship. Yeah.
So now he wants that
This should be quashed.
My
Okay.
lord,
What are your grounds for quashing?
my lord, first of all, this market is of lecture. They filed
What is your allegation, Mr. Theory? Whatever allegation against market regarding market?
I gave
They have nothing. They given nothing.
Just let us hear why he was filing a false case against
My-
you so that we can properly
My-
pass it.
I gave my mark sheet to my wife when we were living together, Your Lordship. She took my mark sheet and defaced it. She told my mark sheet. That is one of the allegations, but that is not the only allegation, Your Lordship.
Okay, then
The main
what,
allegation is that these people came to my residence
Hmm.
and they have threatened us, Your Lordship. My
Hmm.
family members, me, they have threatened us. That is why.
where are those statements in paragraph?
Paragraph 11, Your Lordship, at page 15. May I read, Your Lordship? That the complaint says that
So regarding mark sheet, paragraph 5. Then what happened to the judicial chairperson proceeding?
still pending, Your Lordship.
Going on.
Yes, sir.
So you have lost the FIR also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then what happened to the FIR?
It is pending investigation, Your Lordship.
Then how you can maintain a same on the same cause of action as CRK?
No, thereafter, Your Lordship, there is another development. That is why I have given the date, Your Lordship. That is 29 April 2018.
Hmm.
These accused persons again came, they verbally and physically assaulted my family members, Your Lordship, me, and that is why the case, Your Lordship.
My lord, it is not possible, my lord.
My only respectful submission, Your Lordship,
Yes.
since the case is pending, Your Lordship, they should face the trial, and if they are innocent, Your Lordship, then they will be acquitted or discharged, Your Lordship.
What is the statement under 200?
That is not.
What is this? There are two complaints. One is 433 2018. And other is 1515 2017.
My lord,
This,
there are a lot of cases, my lord. High Court has dismissed 3 cases, my lord, filed by him, my lord.
This is filed by you.
My-
What happened to this? Seems abuse of the process,
uh,
the
Lordship,
theory. Not being able to present, but it seems that abuse of the. Come prepared, Mr. Counsel.
Right.
Come prepared.
My lord,
Come prepared with your facts and figures.
Right. All-
That so and so allegation is false
Right.
cannot be a ground of quashing.
Right.
You show that this is an abuse of the process. Similar proceedings pending, FIR already lost, evidence is. Now you are playing the role of a lawyer. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petition. is this method after tweak. If you are not thoroughly prepared, we will appoint amicus. Mind it.
Okay, my
Deep
Yes.
paper.
my lord, I have written, but actually I am not, not vocal, difficulty.
Okay, so if you physical difficulty, you write a small written note.
My-
Okay,
Deep paper.
this is the written note you have given. Criminal petition 189. Keep it. This is you have given.
Keep it.
Okay. Don't argue on facts. Facts will be necessary, but you will have to establish those principles laid down in Bhajan Lal and all subsequent.
Deep paper.
My lord, my senior counsel is out of station.
Who is your senior?
JC God.
You are for petitioner.
No,
In
for
one case,
respondent.
one case,
In one case,
one
I am
case
from
she is for
respondent.
petitioner, in one case I am. In the
Yeah.
first matter, my lord, item number 29, I am the petitioner.
And
in the
30, I
second
am the
case,
petitioner.
they could have made a mention in the morning, but that is the only, I have objection.
Yes,
I
that
can't
I also feel the senior
Yeah.
counsel was sitting from morning.
They could have made a mention, my lord, that is my objection, nothing else, my lord, I am not objecting.
You ought to have informed us that my sir is not there, sir. Please, I will seek it. This is
Yes,
called
yes.
decorum. Give a date, Mr. Agarwal, as per.
I mean,
Please have
September,
it.
September.
Give a date as per your convenience. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner in criminal petition number
410. of
410.
2019.
Uh-huh.
Criminal petition number 947,
No
2019.
petition.
The respondent. No, I'm the.
His petitioner, C's petitioner in?
Yeah.
C's petitioner in?
940, criminal petition 947.
No.
On the
Yeah.
prayer of the learned counsel for the
Her case is-
petitioner in criminal petition number 947 2019, the matter stands adjourned and be listed on
My lord. 19th of September or.
Huh?
11 to
12th of September.
12th of September possible.
परिवार तो ready करी
15.
Much of it.
15 may not be convenient.
Give it 18,
28.
28,
20. They have actually filed, my lord, in both the courts, they were, my lord, convicted.
Okay.
Now, my lord, they have come up for revision, and the revision has been filed because we have filed the criminal petition. My lord,
You
in
are
our-
for enhancement.
we have for not, yes, my lord. My lord, only ground is that, my lord, 422 mandate,
Yeah.
my lord, compulsory imprisonment. That is our ground.
Okay.
Only fine has been imposed, compensation has been granted.
Okay.
It was a case of, my lord, around 40 lakh year.
Okay.
That is my simple case. Their case is that since we have filed this, they have already deposited the, my lord, fine and compensation everything. But since we have filed it, my lord, they have also come up with a revision. They should be acquitted. Definitely, they have a right to be heard.
Okay.
Not the-
Okay.
Lordship, she is appearing in item number 410 of 20.
He
criminal
also
petition.
told me that, but I think the council will be more acquainted than
No,
410.
our item is
410.
947. There is 410.
Yeah, 410. Our is
Huh?
that.
on the prayer of the learned counsel for 410. Is it to say দুটা
Apply.
Sir, please, Lord.
Yeah.
Lordship, conducting counsel, Mr. S. somebody is out of station visiting some medical purpose. So, matter may come up on next.
What is the issue here? Are you aware?
Lordship, it's a quashing petition against an impugn order.
Hmm.
Passed in
Okay, what is the meaning of
My lord, they are challenging the
Yeah.
issue of summon, my lord. The,
issuance of someone in what case?
in land grabbing case, my lord. So they got the
earlier interim order, but that order also honorable court vacated by the order in IA, my lord. Order is there.
So that is proceeding.
Yes, my lord. Now it is proceeding. Now it is fixed for issuing documents, my lord.
They have appeared also.
Yes, they have filed the WS. also.
Lordship, my senior Mr. Samaria will make.
Okay, you are having no problem. Stay is vacated, it is proceeding. Let somebody come.
Same because they are taking the adjournment earlier also. But I have no any objection.
He is out of the due to some medical.
Okay, this
All
medical,
right.
but this kind of things should be thrown to dustbins. Okay, then so that we can decide all those old pending cases. These are unnecessary adjournment. We know it, but since medical, we have.
My lord, date one fix the.
Okay, please, this matter on when will we be back?
Next week, Lord.
Huh?
Next week.
When? As per your convenience. 28th of August.
Master.
What is this? Repetition?
Lordship.
Why?
We are challenging the promotion and selection process.
Why this is it a part-heard matter?
No,
No, Lordship, actually it is matter assigned by your Lord. Guwahati High
Okay,
Court matter.
that matter. Kukrazar.
Yes,
Kukrazar.
yes.
What revenge?
Lordship, they had to file some, Lordship, respondent number 567.
Oh, forget about them. Where is
Yes.
the High Court council?
Yes, they have
And-
filed, Lordship, they have
Ah.
filed an reply.
You have filed a reply.
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit in opposition.
Opposition, we have
Then-
filed a reply.
Then what to do?
Lordship, may take up the matter,
Today?
Lordship, any date after,
Nothing remains in this case. Isn't it?
Lordship, there is something.
Something.
Yes,
Okay, we'll hear that something.
Yes.
When give a date. Let us hear that something.
Yes. Lordship, any date after.
You give your date.
Lordship,
Second week of September. There is no stay order.
No,
No.
Lord.
Okay. 15th. 15th of September.
Lordship.
We'll dispose of on that day.
Obliged, Lord.
This case, your lordship, petitioner has come, your lordship, against order framing, your lordship,
Framing of charge.
framing of charge, your lordship. Your lordship has
Any
earlier,
scan copies, something like that. What was the offense, alleged offense?
376, your lordship.
Where
He
is
says
the,
that she was kidnapped from a particular place, your lordship, but the home guard and the shopkeeper near in the 161 statement denies that, your lordship. She refused to go for medical examination when police called, your lordship. And on the face of it, your lordship, 161 statement, your lordship.
you are appearing?
I'm appearing for.
In fact, your lordship, on last occasion.
Oh, that's Saudi Arabia.
Lordship,
yes.
Saudi Arabia.
But I've gone through the entire evidence, whatever he has annexed. Lordship. I find that 376 is not made out, Lordship, but 417, Lordship.
What is 417?
This cheating, Lordship.
What is the ingredients of city?
Ingredients of cheating, Lordship. Four one five is the definition, Lordship.
Yes, 415. What 415?
Cheating, whoever by deceiving any person fraudulently or dishonestly induce a person so deceived to deliver any property to person or to consent that for any person shall retain any property or intentionally induce the person so deceived to do or omit to do anything which he would not do or omit it if he were not to so deceive, and which act or omission causes or is likely to cause damage or harm to that person in body, mind, reputation, or property. So here, property, question of property will not come, Lordship, but body and mind, Lordship. So charge was framed under 417 and 376, Lordship. Although it appears that she was a consenting party, but what under what circumstances she has given her consent, Lordship.
But what is her about her trustworthiness? She was kidnapped by petitioner and other person. What is your argument about?
That has not come, Lordship. Trial court has not framed charge on kidnapping.
Then to her first statement itself is she is not having trustworthiness. Why should we believe that it was a cheating?
But Lordship, from
Okay.
the
Okay, where is her statement?
Your
Before the
Lordship-
police,
Your lordship will get it, your lordship.
page 25.
That is the page 18 is the FIR, your lordship.
FIR we have seen.
Lordship. 25 is the her step. 25 is her statement.
164.
That is 161, 164, your lord. No,
one.
161.
Page 25 is 164.
This is 160,
Isn't it?
your lordship. Statement of victim under 164. your lordship. ওপৰৰ তথ্যসমূহ সত্য হয় মই বজৰুল আলম মিৰ্জাক ভাল পাওঁ 2017 চনৰ পৰা আমাৰ প্ৰেমৰ সম্পৰ্ক আছে 2019 বজৰুল সৌদি আৰৱলৈ যায় তেওঁ মোক ফোন কৰে 8/7/22 তাৰিখে তেওঁ ঘৰলৈ আহি মোক ফোন কৰে তেওঁ লগ কৰিবলৈ কয় মই লগ নকৰাৰ বাবে মোক 13/7/22 তাৰিখে 3:30 বজাত মোক বেছিমাৰীৰ পৰা অপহৰণ কৰে তেওঁৰ লগত 3-4জন মানুহ আছিল মই চিনি নাপাওঁ তেওঁলোকে বাইক লৈ আহিছিল মোক বজৰুলৰ ঘৰলৈ লৈ যায় তেওঁৰ ঘৰ দৰঙত তেওঁ মোক ধৰ্ষণ কৰে তেওঁৰ ঘৰৰ মানুহ গম পোৱাত বজৰুলৰ ঘৰৰ পৰা যাবলৈ কয় তেওঁৰ ঘৰৰ মানুহে মোক হত্যা কৰিম বুলি ভাবুকি দিয়ে This is her statement, your lordship.
And her statement is that police rescued her.
No.
Where are their one statement of those police?
Your lordship will kindly come to page 36 onwards, your lordship. These are the statements of the witnesses, your lordship, under 161. He is the shopkeeper at that place. He says, I have not seen any chaos or kidnapping of any guard. Page 30 is the home guard, your lordship.
It just comes as
Happy to.
30.
is
Page 38, your lord. That is the statement of the home guard who was stationed at the place at a relevant point of time.
kidnapping charge is not
Not
framed.
there.
Okay. What are the sections 376?
Lordship.
What are the charges framed?
376 and 417.
Your lordship may kindly come to page 48 for a moment, your lord.
48.
This is the statement of one Manju Nara Begum. What she says. My name and address is correct as recorded above. I am presently aged about 30 years. I am housewife. My house is situated very near to the house of the accused person. On 13/7/2022, at around 3-4 p.m., a guard came in an e-rickshaw and got down in front of the house of Bajrullah from Midha and then went inside his house. Later, we came nearer upon hearing arguments, and then I learned that the state guard Bajrul Agam Midhan is going to marry him. At that time, Bajrul Akram Midha was not at home. Bajrul's mother told her to leave the house, but the girl forcefully remained there. Before that, I had not known about Bajrul Akram loving any girl. The girl had come to his on her own in an e-rickshaw. She had not been kidnapped. Now, your lordship will kindly see this is the statement of their witnesses, your lord. Before. They could not have filed your lordship hardship under these sections, not to speak about your lordship framing of charge under 376. On the face of it, your lordship, no case is made out under section 376.
But 376 can be convicted only on the sole testimony of
Maybe your lordship,
It
but,
start, it will
but
start.
that will have to your lordship inspire some confidence, your lordship, at some level, your lordship.
But can we at this stage say that we don't have any confidence upon from 161? Just enlighten us.
Lordship, my humble submission in that aspect will be your lordship. What she says, your lordship, in 164, even that does not, your lordship, will not, since your lordship will kindly not refuse, your lordship, there is a record
Actually,
to go to the medical examination, your lordship. And ultimately, your lordship, some kind of corroboration will have to be there. Yes, sole testimony can be a ground for your lordship convicting a person, your lordship. But ultimately,
we
your
will
lordship,
argue that even we take the face on the face of it, everything to be accepted,
Lord.
there is no rep
lordship,
of the other eyewitness.
Lord.
Even somebody said that she herself has come.
Now, with these contradictions, and your lordship will kindly see, we cannot take her statement
Now
one part or
tell us
another.
at under section 482,
Lord.
482, charge has been framed. To what extent we can exercise our power to discharge?
Lordship,
What should we look into?
lordship, whether your lordship from
We
the
cannot have a mini trial.
no, your lordship, on the face of the record, but we will have to admit that everything is
Correct.
correct. If that, your lordship, there is a strong suspicion, your lordship, grave suspicion. No, I will not use the word. Apex court has used the word grave suspicion. Then only your
Any
lordship,
judgment?
lordship. This is the leading judgment, your lordship, Prafulla Kumar Samal.
Lordship, before this judgment, but I would just like to place before this to the development motive in the trial, Lordship. Already her statement has been recorded as PW1. Lordship.
What is
Yes, I have got a certified copy, Lordship.
And your lordship will find contradiction.
Yes.
Your lordship will kindly note the fourth paragraph of her statement.
Trial, Lordship. Form कितने लोग FIR लॉट पर हम 21.
what was the date of incident?
Date of incident according to the FIR, your lordship, is 13/7/2022.
Yes, what has come out from her?
That part, Lordship,
What part?
under what circumstances she has given her consent.
What false part?
Lordship,
Not
may
at all.
record my submission.
She said 4 accused kidnapped her. Now says 4 kilometers from a different place in a motorbike, she accompanied this man and went to her house. Your prosecution witnesses says he came in a e-rickshaw. Let us assume everything to be correct. Then which story should we believe? Why? How can she be trustworthy? Mr. Whatever authorized, will get an acquittal.
Lordship, but the problem is this, your Lordship, I have to come from Saudi Arabia, your Lordship. That's the problem, you know. That's why I am before this honorable court. Otherwise, I would not have advised him to, your Lordship, to file this
Okay,
petition.
this
Lordship, may record my submission.
give me the judgment.
Lord.
Mr. Kothakur, we are not passing this order today. Your earlier order is also late. So many orders.
Lordship may pass the order as per your Lordship convenience.
That is also there.
Your
Because
Lordship may
these
keep,
are to be frank, certain judgments are required for a person like me for all this.
that is not there, your Lordship, who's your Lordship, most of these judgments. I will hand over the copy. to you.
Okay. Pardon Samnek, this matter for further hearing on
As per your Lordship convenience.
divided. Deliver order. Give the judgments.
Judgment I have.
No case. 13th of September.
Lordship will only record my submission.
We'll record that we have vehemently objected.
And
And
that's
you
it.
also argued that this is absolutely case of rape.
No, Lordship, that
Give the judgment.
417 part.
Just now I have.
Keep it.
Lordship, this is 482 application, Lordship.
Uh,
Lordship, I am for the petitioner.
yeah.
Lordship, in this case, I am just challenging the order dated 23/11/2022. Thereby, the standard code below has
Where is
taken
that
the
order? Please tell us.
Lordship, page number 55. Lordship, in this case, the lower court has taken the cognizance under section 120B 403, 406, 470, 419, 420, 422, 423, 465, 468, 471, 473, 506 of the Indian Penal
Where is
Code.
the complaint?
Lordship, complaint which
Are you enjoying a stay?
yes, Lordship.
Here's some other day.
Yes,
If you are enjoying, who is for the other side?
Lordship, they are not present today.
Notice is sir.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. At least this better. Last part of September.
Lordship, stay may be continued.
Oh, definitely.
Yes.
29th of September. Interim order pass earlier.
God bless, Lord.
May I please, your Lord?
Yes.
This matter also relates to Zimma of Erika Nath. Here also regarding maintainability of 451 and 457. So this matter may come up on 17, my lord. Other matters fix.
Other matter is
fix-
70. If this matter is correct. Yes.
My lord. This is a case, my lord, where petitioner is convicted for 7 years, my lord,
Hmm.
under section 366, my lord, Indian Penal Code. My
Any paper book? No.
My lord,
Paper
paper
book,
book,
my-
dear friend, that I am giving.
paper book is available.
Yes, my lord, record from record I have taken, my lord, just I am
Okay,
giving.
okay.
So one of government is here. My lord, your lordship kindly go to the my lord past information report, my lord. After 2 days of the incident, past information report was filed, my lord. This
Okay.
is annexer, my lord.
Just tell us certain some dates,
Yes, sir.
date of occurrence,
Date of occurrence was 25/2010,
25
2010.
2005 2010.
Yes, my lord.
Then FIR lodged on
22/05/2010.
2205 2010.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And my lord, there is a delay of my lord 2 days for filing of the FIR, my lord. And they have stated that they are the reason for the delay for searching of Galbala. I am reading Assamese part of that portion, my lord. You also have page 3.
Okay. What was the age of the this
She is a
accused?
major, my lord.
No, accused.
Accused, my lord. At that time, now he is at the time of trial, he has 31 years, my lord. At the time of trial, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. Both are major, my lord. That is admitted position.
And
But
Burwa is there opposing you.
My humble submission before your lord, I straightway go to the statement of the PW1.
You'll have to give us some time.
No, my lord.
Huh?
Only.
Okay.
Madam. Jitu paper.
Okay, let us see.
One thing is important, my lord. Page 10, my lord, the Hakki. There are my lord, interesting thing I have found in this case, my lord. PW2, PW1, এক নম্বর বিদ্যুৎ বিকাশ বরা, is PW2.
Just let us see the FIR part.
Yes, my lord. As I may read the Assamese version, my lord.
Hmm.
নাই ইংলিছ অপহৰণ কৰিব বিচৰাৰ বাবে আবেদন পেজ নম্বৰ 2 জিআৰ কেছ নম্বৰ
Hmm.
বিনীত নিবেদন সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা 20/5/2020 তাৰিখে পুৱা 8:45 মান বজাত মোৰ ভণ্টি শ্ৰীমতী কি নাম আছিলে ৰশ্মি ৰেখা বৰা
Rashmi Rekha Bora.
বয়স 30 বছৰ
Just a minute. Can we go on live in these cases? Musumi, can we go on live in these cases? It is 366 kidnapping of a woman. Can we get it? Other of 376 we cannot, POCSO we cannot.
yes, sir.
Okay.
366
I think we can.
can add this live also.
All are transparent now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ৰাতিপুৱা
Amgurir,
15 তাৰিখে আমগুৰিৰ বৰল কম্পিউটাৰ ইনষ্টিটিউটলৈ যোৱাৰ পথত
hmm,
পানীৰাম আহি পোৱাৰ কিছু দূৰ অহাৰ পিছত পদুমণি মজিয়া গাঁৱৰ লোক শ্ৰী পৰাগ শইকীয়াৰ লগত দুজনমান লোকৰ সহযোগৰ যোগ কৰি এখন মাৰুতি গাড়ীত উঠাই অপহৰণ কৰি লৈ যায় বৰ্তমানলৈকে ক'ত আছে মই গম পোৱা নাই গতিকে মহোদয়ক তদন্ত কৰি মোৰ ভণ্টিক উল্লেখ কৰাৰ লগতে
Uddhar.
উদ্ধাৰ কৰাৰ লগতে দোষীক শাস্তি দিয়াৰ প্ৰাৰ্থনা সময় কৰি থকা কি ক'লে এইটো মা এইটো কি লিখছে মা কৰি থকা মানে খা খবৰ
Ha khobor.
খা খবৰ কৰি থকাৰ এজাহাৰ দিয়াৰ
Pola.
পলম হ'ল this part is important man because they know that girl has been kidnapped on that particular day
So where is the question of ha khobor?
খা খবৰ
According to you, where is the question?
Yes,
of
your lordship come on later on, my lord. There is a love affair between boy and girl. They have tried to marry that girl to the particular boy.
he also, my lord, ready, but his family member was not ready. That will come on evidence, my lord. And that is why this case has been filed. She voluntarily visited the house as per defense witness, who is the search-seated witness from whom house.
Who is Parag Soikia?
Parag Soikia is the accused.
He kidnapped.
He kidnapped.
According to her, he kidnapped.
Yes, my lord.
And how many accused are there?
There are 3 accused who have
Who are accused?
the Krishna Soikia and other is not they are my lord acquitted from this case, my lord.
Who are convicted?
Parag Soikia.
Parag and
Only Parag.
Only for.
and why this is written as Parag Soikia and another?
Only Parag Soikia has been convicted.
Kindly see the case record says Parag
Your
Soikia
lordship, kindly go to the
and 4 others.
judgment, my lord.
No, we'll see it later on. Just Mr. Borua, who are only him.
And one Krishna, his brother is there.
He is also
Accomplice as an accomplice and ordered, my lord.
convicted.
No, yeah, petition.
No, entire-
Appeal of case.
Paragraph page 56.
Just let us
Yes,
see why
judgment part, my lord.
I'll come to that. Just let us see the post title of your
For petition for.
to Krishna Soikia. Parag Soikia and Krishna Soikia appellant.
এটা আছে নাকি?
Use the accomplice of Parag.
That's why
I'm
Parag and
very much
Krishna.
sorry, my lord.
Parag and
Yes, my lord. Krishna and Parag was convicted.
okay.
Now, your lordship, kindly come to the PW1 statement, my lord.
Who is PW1? The victim.
Victim.
Okay.
His statement, your lordship, by page 12 of the paper book.
Before one date, maybe at the type it was written as 25/5. It should be 25.
Which one?
In the second paragraph, if your second, you are-
That is underline. Underline.
Yes, sir.
just I have underlined,
Yes.
on the Assamese version it is 25.
Yes, my
20, na?
20.
lordship, kindly come to the my
Yes.
lord, page 12, my lord. The accused in the dog, namely Parag Soikia and Krishna Soikia. They are neighboring village. My love affair with Parag Soikia was going on before the incident, man. My family member were discussing with the member of family of Parag Soikia regarding our marriage. And at that time, the members of the Parag Soikia family did not agree with our marriage. Parag Soikia said that he will take me through the marriage because the member of Parag family have not agreed. That is why I started minimizing mix-up with him. But I harbored my weakness to Parag in my heart. At the time of incident, I was working Computer Institute Amguri. On 25/2010, last I came on bicycle to go to the Computer Institute, 8:45 in the morning. While I was reading by my bicycle, one Maruti van car from behind stopped me. The accused Parag Soikia came out, forcefully caught me hand, forced me to go inside Maruti van. At that time, accused Krishna Soikia along with 2 others were in the Parag Soikia. The accused Krishna snatched my bag and mobile phone and thereafter took their house to Rajabari, of my van. I was crying. I prayed the accused to leave me for alone, but the accused refused. I rested in the house of Parag aunty Rajabari. In the afternoon, on the promise taking me my house, I was taken to Merapuni different vehicle by Parag Soikia. I was kept in the house of Thanti Bora. This is important, my lord. He was examined as a defense witness. Located at Adarsagar, I was kept confined 3 days there. In the house Thanti Bora, I was allowed to sleep at night with girl. Actually, my lord, as per report, there is no sexual intercourse took place between them. Medical report available. There, I was pressurized by Parag Soikia and his friend to seek marriage with Parag. On next day, Parag Soikia informed my brother over telephone regarding my abduction. I am the person, my lord, who informed her, my lord, brother, that she is with me, my lord. My brother, along with the police on 24/5/2010, recovered me from the house of Thanti Bora, located. Seeing the police accused Parag Soikia fled from there. My brother filed an SR, police recovered, magistrate medically examined. I deposed before judicial magistrate exhibit 1. My deposition exhibit 1 to 3 are signature. This is the 164 statement. The content of the document was not proved before the court, my lord. Anyway, my lord, that is also supported me, my lord. I shall tell you later, my lord. Parag was called by the name Uttam. I had love affair Parag for last 7, Parag past about 7 to 8 years. We are exchanging letter between us, my lord. I gave one Aircell SIM card Parag Soikia. We often talk our mobile. Sometimes both we went together stroll. It is not a fact that after the incident, I informed the people I met about the incident, but not a single witness from the place of occurrence, except the family and other, my lord. They are not examined in this case, my lord, from the place of occurrence. It is not the fact my marriage formally solemn as Parag Soikia Marapanaway. Even if Parag want to marry me, I will not go because he embrace me, begging me. It is not except in my formal Adarsa Gaon, I welcome to open heart people who come to see me in the house of Tanti Bora. It is not a fact that at the time Parag shocked my brother with the help of presently I am residing at Tinsukia. This is the PW1. Then your lordship kindly come to the PW2. PW2 is the Dibbojyoti Bora, my lord. He is the brother, my lord. Page 18. Have a look at
Yes, yes.
page 18. I know the accused Parag Soikia and Krishna Soikia Rashmi Rekha Bora is my sister. On 25 2010 at about 8:30 a.m. in the morning, she was going out from home to Computer Institute, where she worked. While she was on her way to the institute, the Porsi was taken away in a Maruti van, Panigaon, and abducted her. In this case, my lord, he is not the IOD, he is the hearsay witnesses. No one from the place of occurrence was examined, my lord. The pair for accused were accompanied by 2 other unknown youth. Their identity was not known. When she did not return home, we searched her about but could not find any clue. Parag Soikia informed us regarding abduction of Rashmi Rekha Bora. I informed. He talked over phone to my younger brother. The younger brother informed elder brother. Younger brother because apprised us about the incident. SR was filed by the younger brother. Police along with younger brother recovered Rashmi from Merapani at Gaon. Seeing the police accused Parag Soikia fled. Police got Rashmi medically examined and recorded her statement in the court, and thereafter Rashmi's Zimma was given to mother. Here, my lord, medical report I will come later on, my lord. Medical will say negative, my lord. When asked Rashmi, she said while she was going to her institute, she was forcibly taken away by Parag with the help of Krishna, her way near Panigaon to marry her again. He will and abducted in a vehicle. Police took my statement recovering Rashmi. Second, police did not interrogate me after recovering of Rashmi. Our house ran only from the service of Younger. I did not see the accused person abducting Rashmi. He is a hearsay witness, my lord. I knew that Rashmi and Parag were in love. Brother, admit there is a love affair. While giving my statement before police, I did not mention the accused Krishna cooperated with the Parag Soikia in abducting Rashmi. While the police was taking my statement, I did not mention about the information of Younger of her phone. Accused Parag Soikia abducting Rashmi or Younger brother apprised us about the same. Then my lord, PW3, page 24. My name is Bidyut Vikas Bora. My father name is Noren Bora, so and so, so and so. I am employed tea garden. Kidnapped girl Rashmi Rekha is my sister. I know the accused Parag and Krishna. I know that there is a love affair was going on between accused Parag Soikia and Rashmi. The incident took place 25 2010 last. I was work at Tinsukia on the day of incident. Mother, sister, Dibbojyoti, Rashmi were at home. Rashmi was a computer institute. Like all other days in the morning, while Rashmi was going to workplace, accused forcibly pick her up in a vehicle from road with an intention to get married with Parag Sekar against her will. In the afternoon, I was informed from my house. I came to my house after a great deal search could not find a clue. Ultimately, filed an SIR in the police station. SIR 2 is on my signature. There is an explanation for delay of filing SIR. Next day, with the help of police, we recovered from the house unknown person Merapani. Going there, we came to meet the Parag Sekar was there, but seeing he escaped. After giving Jimma to her mother by police, she was interrogated. She informed that she had forcibly taken Maruti van by the accused person from the road. Rashmi also informed me that Parag Sekar abducted her to compel her to marry him against will. My lord, one important thing is necessary, my lord. Whether, my lord, this was recorded on the GDNP or not, I do not know, my lord. It's your police effort. Because the knowledge which has been gathered by the PW, my lord, from the me, my lord, I informed to the policeman.
Everything is fine. Just answer us that to all is fine. Love affairs was there, but her statement is specific
And
in
during
164,
also-
161. During course, she affirmed that I was, yes, I had a love affair,
Yes.
but they kidnapped me.
My coming on that point, my lord,
You see, forget about others.
yes, sir. Not my lord. In this case, not forget about our. That is why I am saying the person concerned, the DW1, from whose house he was recovered, he has categorically stated one story. There are two views, my lord, in this case, my lord. If two views are possible, my lord.
Go
then-
to the benefit of.
yes, my lord. And 313, I take the that categorical stand that she voluntarily go to that person house, my lord, and she has. I was not there. Subsequently, she called me.
How 313 statement was dealt by the learned court below.
Nothing discussed. He,
You see that also.
yes, my lord.
And the judgment of Ramanna.
Yes, my lord. I know that Rina Hazarika, that judgment, my lord. That
That is
judgment is
Justice
also
Ramanna.
available. And my lord, learned court below has not given any weightage to the defense witness evidence, my lord. And she has admitted love affair, my lord.
If a doubt is created, then
Yes, my lord.
you will get the benefit.
Yes,
of
my
doubt.
lord.
That is,
And
that's why I say
learned court has
these places she admits that yes, I had a love affair,
yes, my lord.
but on that day he kidnapped me. But why kidnap? There is also no explanation. If there is a love affair, what is the reason, motive behind kidnapping?
Yes.
That is also not there.
Yes, my lord.
You also go through that.
My
That
lord.
is not there. Suppose if you admit that we are having love affair for 7-8 years, what is the motive of kidnapping on that day?
Something is there in 164 earlier, my lord.
Okay,
164 statement
we'll
also.
just keeping our minds
Yes,
open.
my lord. I shall go on.
How
this
many
case.
years? How many years?
7
7 years.
years.
7 years, my lord. He is already behind the bar for some days, my lord. Aircraft available, my lord.
You just go through it, come back.
Keep the record.
এবার থেকে তো বলে
Have a good
রেকর্ড দিয়ে আছে সবাই তো বিহার বলে
PW4, my lord. He is accompanying the PW3 to the police station. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. He is one of the, I think he is the one of the witness. He is something maternal uncle, my lord. Yes, my lord. In page 29. Other part is not important, my lord, subject to correction of my learned friend, my lord. Last line of the sheet, my lord. He did not tell me who abducted Vidyut sister. Because as per he is going to file an FIR, my lord, but the person accompanying him does not know, my lord, who has kidnapped, my lord, that girl, my lord. There is my lord, there is something, my lord, concealing by the family also, my lord. There is these things has been found in this case, my lord. PW5 not important. He said, I saw him coming and going in front of our house. I don't know why he was examined, my lord. PW6, my lord. He has, what happens in the 161 statement, he has mentioned all these things. His cross-examination, one part is important, my lord. Page 35. I arrested accused Parag Saika from Merapani. And while I went to Merapani apprehend him, Parag Saika, I examined witness Roman Bora and Rajani Bora. And victim Rashmi Rekha Bora took shelter in the house of Roman Bora. Roman was charge-seated witnesses, but he was examined as DW1. He was not accused. He was a charge-seated witness. In charge sheet, his name was mentioned as a witness. Prosecution not examining Roman. That is why defense has examined this person. And this evidence is very vital. And one thing, DW1. And in charge sheet, your lordship will find the name of Roman Bora. Yes, Roman Bora, sir.
No, first, second bank.
First,
Second.
Gandhi. Yes, yes, ma'am. Your lordship find page 10, Roman Bora, prosecution witness. One important thing in whole cases, my lord, he was taken about from these two places, my lord. I could not find one village to another village. In
No,
one, Kanti Bora was examined.
no, continue not examine.
Kanti Bora examined, DW2. He was a prosecution witness, he was examined as a DW. DW1, DW2, both are the person.
No, DW2 Rajani Gogoi.
Rajani, okay, sorry. Kanti Bora not examined. Not examined. Not. And one most important thing is that I have a judgment. He was abducted from a public place, not a person from the place of occurrence. He was not examined. He was coming along with around 10 to 20 kilometers mile. Not a single person, he said, he uttered.
No, he was taken to Tiok.
No one has said that I have seen that he has kidnapped that particular guy, the accused, both the accused person. There must be some evidence, my lord, because it is not that inside the room that has been taken. Roman Bora, this is the judgment, my lord. I examined Roman Bora, Rajani Bora, and Rashmi Rekha Bora took shelter in the house of Roman Bora. Next, your lordship kind. Yes, fine.
Yes. DW1.
DW1. He was prosecution witness. He was not prosecutor.
Defense.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. And your lordship kindly go to the DW1 statement, my lord, page 30. Page 38. One. Page 30. Have you also got it? Yes, my lord. I read this is vital witness in this case, my lord. I know the accused Parag Saikia, but I do not know other accused. I know that a case regarding kidnapping of a girl by the accused is pending before the court. Her name is Rosmi Bora. I know accused Parag Saikia since last 10 to 12 years, used to work under my brother. I also know Rosmi Bora since last 5 years. Rosmi Bora came to my house on 22/5/2000 alone. That is important, my lord. Rosmi Bora used to make visit to my house earlier along with the accused Parag Saikia. So far my knowledge goes. Love affairs between the accused Parag Saikia and Rosmi Bora was continued. On being asked, Rosmi Bora reported that she came to my house with a view to get married with Parag Saikia. Actually, she came with a view to marry Parag Saikia. She also reported that she came to my house after giving intimation to her parents. She has intimated their parents. Rosmi Bora came to my house at 9 a.m., whereas Parag Saikia arrived at house at 3 p.m. I informed parents of Rosmi Bora on the very day arrival at her house over telephone. I could contact the elder brother of Rosmi Bora on the day of Rosmi Bora arrived at me. The elder brother advised me to go to the shelter to Rosmi Bora for that day to enable him to bring her back to the house. After arrival of Parag Saikia, when I asked Parag as to readiness to get married with the Bora, he later refused to get married at the relevant point of time. Completely diametrically opposite story. Rosmi Bora insisted upon accused Parag Saikia to get her married. Thereafter, Rosmi Bora put vermilion on her forehead, claiming of getting married with the accused Parag Saikia. This is the, my lord, it is her herself, my lord, put the vermilion on her head, my lord. On the very night, she was taken share of bed with my sister. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. On the next day, elder brother Rosmi Bora came to my house along with police personnel. I recovered Rosmi Bora from I was examined police. I made statement before police. I deposed today. Cross-examination by the prosecution. How Rosmi Bora came to my house, I have no knowledge. There was a love affair between Rosmi Bora, Parag Saikia since long. Accused Parag Saikia has been doing contact work with my elder brother before the occurrence took place. Good relation is maintained between me and accused since long. It is not a fact. I do not make. It is not a fact. Police inquired about Parag Saikia, but I reported he went to latrine. It is a fact. So and so, so and so. Last line, my lord, of the 39 page. On the very day of arrival, Rosmi Bora at my house, accused Parag Saikia was not present in my house till Rosmi arrived at my house. He was not present. Hello? He came at 3. Yes. She came at 9. He came at 3, my lord. DW, one of that statement, my lord. DW2 is one of the, my lord, person, my lord. I think. Yes, my lord. Rajani, no. Raman Bora is the DW1. Your DW2 is the person who saw Rajani Ghosh, who saw the accused alleged victim in the house of Thanti Bora, who are not examined by the prosecution. May I read? Thanti, she is silent about the Thanti again.
There is a twist, my lord.
Question
Girl stated there in the evening taken to the house of Thanti. First to the aunt house, subsequently when telephone, then subsequently taken to the Thanti's house. PW1 defense relying the PW1, DW1. I also know Rosmi for the last 5 years. Rosmi Bora came to my house on 22/5/10 alone. Who said? Roman Bora. Not Dhanti.
I mean, Dhanti, my lord.
Not Dhanti. Roman said that Rashmi Bora came to my house on 22nd 5/10 alone. Now DW2 on 22nd 5/10 I saw Rashmi Bora alone went to the house of Dhanti Bora at 9. So my lord, Roman said that she came to my house. Roman said that whether the girl and herself said that she was taken in the evening to the house of Dhanti. DW2 again Dhanti. Now she was recovered from the house of DW1. No, as per the Dhanti's house, from the Dhanti's house. Now, as Dhanti was not examined. Now, as per the cross, my lord, I don't know whether Dhanti and Roman, who is the Dhanti, who is Roman. That is one fact is there. Yes. Yes, my lord. But I did not take.
Yes, my lord.
Now whether
Yes, my
that is
lord.
now whether Dhanti and Roman same person and all that.
Yes, sir.
It is not a
Last
fact
line
that
I said, people
I did-
necessary beyond all reasonable. Yes, I have the. Yes, sir. And T13 also. I will not take much time. One DW2 statement will also go because Dhanti's name mentioned by him, my lord. Yes, my lord. Page 41. I know accused Parag Sarkar who is present in page 41. I know accused Parag Sarkar who is present in the dog. I know accused since last 3 years. You used to make Dhanti Bora a resident of same village. I have the occasion to see that accused Parag Sarkar accompanying Rashmi Bora made visit the house. Dhanti Bora for 2 times. On 22/5/10, I saw Rashmi Bora alone went to the house of Dhanti Bora. And at 9 a.m. after
my lord,
Yes,
my lord, one thing, but it will be clear, my lord. Yes, my lord. That my lord, in the my lord, his deposition, last paragraph before cross, my lord, he was taken share bed with my sister. On that day, the elder brother of Rashmi came to my house with police personnel and recovered her. So before cross, my lord. So that Dhanti may be nickname of.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Roman Bora. Everybody saying is Dhanti,
And yes, my lord.
No, recovery from Dhanti's place. All are saying recovery. And Roman, I
want to read one line, my lord. My lord, page 41, just before the cross, my lord, 3 line. She made visit to their house for searching Parag Sarkar. It is Rashmi Rekha came to the house for searching Parag Sarkar. She also reported that her parents put pressure on her for marriage, so that she came to the house of Dhanti Bora to came out the Parag Sarkar. Page 41, my lord. Yes, my lord. Thus crossed by prosecution. She made visit to their. Yes, my lord. And T13 statement, if you look at, yes, I have taken this defense. Obviously, my lord, live streaming is going on. I have a reservation for 330 statement in many cases. If your lordship close this, my lord, or your lordship asks me camera, these things should not be available. Repeatedly Supreme Court said 313. I want to indicate your lordship to understand. Not for this case, my lord. My lord.